So you're new to trading. What are some words of wisdom? I don't know why this is so hard for me. I'm trying to remember 3 things. Words of wisdom, oversimplifying. Man, I would be a terrible actor. Words of wisdom, oversimplifying. Hello. And an example. That wasn't so hard. So you're new to trading. I'm going to give you some words of wisdom. I'm going to give you, just forget it, watch the video. Let's oversimplify stock trading. Step 1 is to find a stock that you like. Step 2 is you buy that stock. Step 3, you figure out how much money you're comfortable losing. Step 4 is you figure out a realistic profit. Step 5 is you monitor your position. Step 6 is you either sell it for a profit or a loss. When you're new to trading, who is that? When you're new to trading, worry less about the wins and the losses and more about the lessons that you're learning. It's not always about winning or losing, especially when you're new. One of the things I like to do is called swing trading. That means buying a stock somewhere here, like at this breakout, and holding it until it swings up. Because that stock is up $6, and I had 200 shares, I made over $1,200 this morning. Not bad.